Yeah, this is a shot of Tamworth. We're just about to leave and head up and do the trip in the New England area. So lots of free camping. We stayed here just beside the Peel River in the caravan park. So yeah, we're heading off. Yeah, we left Tamworth and we're headed up north to a little town called Attunga. There's a free camp, there's toilets, shelter sheds there. It's got everything there you want. Walk across to the old hotel for meals. It's a free camp, it's not a bad spot at all. So yeah, another one to add to the list. Making our way up to Manilla. It's quite a nice town, and there's some free camping down beside the river. It's supposed to be a good spot. We'll soon check it out in a minute. Yeah, this is the main street of Manilla. Some beautiful old buildings, old hotels. It's a nice town. And just as you drive down through the main street, before you go over the bridge, you turn left, and there's a freedom camp down there. It's supposed to be very good. We'll check it out in a minute. But yeah, it's like a big parkland down there, lots of grass. Open space which backs onto the river. So yeah, well worth a stop in Manilla. Yeah, it doesn't get much better. Lots of open space, beautiful green grass, potable water, everything you need here. So yeah, it's a very nice spot to camp. Donation camp it is. Yeah, it's a great spot to camp. It's a donation camp. There's a dump point and you can get potable water, walk to town, garbage bins, has everything you need. So yeah, what a great spot. Yeah, the country is absolutely spectacular up in the New England area. We're making our way north still towards Barraba. There's no free camping at Barraba, but it's a great town. Pull up, there's some silo art. But yeah, it's a fair bit to see up around this way. Beautiful, beautiful part of the world. Yeah, this is the main street of Barraba, quite a nice town. Yeah, as we leave Barraba, the countryside is just very spectacular. It's just like driving through a big park. It's lots of sheep and cattle, some beautiful properties in this area, and we're now making our way up to Bingara. It's where we'll be staying for a few days on the river. So yeah, what a beautiful part of the world. Yeah, this is the main street of Bingara. It's quite a nice town. While you're free camping, you need to support the town. It has some great, the pubs there sells great meals. And this is where everyone camps down on the river down here. Well, it's a great spot. The river's flowing, lots of bird life. It's very popular. Yeah, it doesn't get much better than this. Free camping on the Guyra River. The water gets released from the Copeton Dam over towards Inverell. Yeah, it's a great spot. You can have a fire here. You've got to be self-contained. There's no facilities, but the facilities are just in town. There's a dump point in there and toilets, and you can also get water. But yeah, what a spot. Yeah, there's quite a few water dragons around. They come and visit you sometimes. Some of them are quite big, but yeah, it's certainly a great camp spot, that's for sure. Yeah, you can leave your van here and go into town, have some great meals at the hotel, but yeah, it's certainly one of the best spots to camp for a few days around this area. this is the bridge crossing the Guyra River, and it's where you also get water, and also there's a dump point. There's toilets there, there's good facilities, there's a caravan park. Also you can follow the road up to the Copeton Dam, the back road. There's lots of camping along that area. It's a little bit rough, possibly better for rooftop tents and trailers through there. But yeah, the toilets are good, everything's all brand new. Dump point, water. So yeah, certainly catered for the tourists here. Yeah, we left Bingara and we headed across to Guyra. So we stopped off at Mile Creek. There's a Aboriginal memorial there. It's not worth a look around. Heading over to Guyra, stopped for morning tea, and then we were heading into Inverell, then out to Copeton Dam. Camp out there. Costs a bit of money to camp out there, but it's lots of good spots out that way. Yeah, this is the main street of Inverell. It's quite a big town. Get everything here. It's one of the regional towns in New South Wales. Yeah, good spot. We drove up to the lookout. You can see how big the town is. It's a fair bit to do and see in town. Yeah, we made our way out to Copeton Dam. It's quite a big dam, and there's a big caravan park up here, Reflections Caravan Park, and you can camp there or you can go out and camp right down beside the water. Lots of spots, very popular in school holidays and Christmas time, but yeah, it's well worth a look if you're up this way. Yeah, this is a little town we're passing through, Tingha, the Tin Town. It's on our way to Guyra, so we pulled up, had a coffee, just parked down on the creek. It's not a bad spot. Yeah, we're just making our way to Guyra now. The country is very spectacular around Guyra way, beautiful scenery. But we're going to stay at Guyra, Mother of Ducks Lagoons. There's a free camp, must be self-contained. Walk up into town. It's not about to stop over. It's on the New England Highway, so it's yeah, another good spot. All these places that we're staying at they're all on wicker camps, so it's a big circuit you can do up in the New England area. It's a really nice drive. Just coming into Mount Yarrowyck crossing, which is just north of Armidale. Off the New England Highway, there's a dirt road that goes out to the river. It's not a bad spot to camp. It's free and it's quite pleasant, so it's well worth a stop. Yeah, back on the New England Highway now, heading down to Bendemere, just north of Tamworth. Free stay there at Bendemere. Has no facilities. It's got toilets, but you can walk to the hotel, and it's quite a nice spot to break your trip up. Yeah, the hotel is a classic old hotel, and it's well worth it to go down there and have a beer or get a meal. Beautiful old hotel. So yeah, very nice. Yeah, we left Bendemere and we're heading down to Wallabadah, which is south of Tamworth. So we've done a circuit, a small circuit of the New England area. Smashing scenery, lots of great free camps and places to explore along the way. And if you're into fossicking, there's lots of fossicking areas out that way too. So yeah, the scenery up around the New England area is pretty special indeed. Yeah, just pulling into Wallabadah. There's a memorial garden there and free camp, donation camp on the river. Walk up into town, great meals at the hotel. But yeah, it's not a bad little camp south of Tamworth on the New England Highway. So yeah, quite a good spot to stop. Yeah, this is a donation camp. There's potable water, toilets, showers, everything you need for a good stay. It's certainly it's a great little spot for an overnighter. That's the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please hit the subscribe button and a few more videos to follow this one. Thanks for watching.